guys, it's Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and I've got March's Sweetwater Label Company subscription, the label for March. Goodness gracious. Words are hard sometimes. All right, we've got the little bag that it comes in. And, ooh. Okay, so it comes with 2 labels this month. And it says, do small things with great love. They both say that. And then one has light, one is outlined in red and one is outlined in green. And it's kind of like this bubbly font. It kind of threw me for a minute there because I wasn't registering those L's at the end of small as L's. Well, they're very cute. I like the sentiment. Do small things with great love. I think it's always the small things that have the greatest impact. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.